Just I pleasure seeing this video, lot of birds, beautiful birds. Although I came just in Rangpur city, just capturing through my vlog video. You see this a lot of different kinds of birds over sitting there. Just I enter this park to vlog a video. Just you see this a lot of bird. Whatever you see this, totally mind blowing or pleasuring this situation. I just capture. Oh, just one are flying over there. You see this? That's usually eating small fishes. So that's the true measurement of Rangpur Zoo in Rangpur city, Rangpur districts. So when I come there, I think I spend some leisure time. So I came here and capturing this video. That you see this a lot of beautiful birds sitting over there. Uh, it's totally a good capture and video. You see this. Uh, oh, what a nice place for me. A lot of birds over there. You see this over behind. They see the total case of the birds over there. I just capturing this emoji block for this, and you see this behind this, and it's totally pleasuring about these beautiful birds over sitting there. You see this. So thank you. Oh, one are that's you listen this. Thank you.